As you heard, my name is Bernard Tirol. I'm the principal of the College of Architecture in Vienna. And I is to welcome you. College of Architecture in Vienna, specifically you are students from the School of Engineering. But for this, at this point, I want to introduce to you the dean and directors and chairman. I hope you, I doubt therefore at this point in time that makes sense to you at all, I doubt. Because it's the first time I get the massive again that terminology. We also had a principal of the college, I'm sure you're also handling now again, what is the principal now? You know, you're used to those principals again, why are you also again, why the vice chancellor and all that. I'll talk a bit about that and bring you the perspective. So I will orientate you to where you are because the terminologies of the university, because you're used to the terminology. Yeah. So when I introduce the dean of the or director is somebody who is in charge of the school. A school, for example, the School of Engineering, all of you are from the School of Engineering, or after the School of Engineering, or below the School of Engineering, whichever terminology you want to use it. The School of Engineering has got 5 departments. Right? Therefore now, those departments are from which the programs, the degree programs are limited to 2 below, for example. So those of you are limited to Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Are there some here? And then is there half? Well, listen up. Listen up. Almost half. That's good. Okay. We'll go to the Department of Electrical and Information Engineering. At that point, you can see there is a difference between the name of the degree and the name of the department. Yeah? Don't confuse that. So, there are 5. Okay, then from there, you have the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Those who are limited in Civil Engineering, how many are there? Right? Okay. Then there are those who are limited the Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Mechanical. Why? Bachelor of Science in Geospatial Engineering. Right. And Bachelor of Science in Environmental and Systems Engineering. Okay. Okay, now, each of those 5 departments, the total of those 5 departments make up what is called School of Engineering. Okay? Now, the person who is in charge of the School of Engineering is called a dean. Okay, now you can see the perspective. So, these 5 departments form a school, and the person in charge of that school is called a dean. Okay? Now, each of the 5 departments, there is somebody who runs it, who is in charge of it, and it's called a chairman. Okay? You don't ask me why are they called chairman. They are not the chairman of organizations, they are not chairmen of parties. By the chairman of departments, they have responsibilities, which I'll say later on. Yeah? Now, let me therefore introduce you to those who are here. So, essentially, if you are going to create you, I should be introducing you. How many people you talk about? How many? I didn't want this side to say. I wanted this side to say. How many? Because it should be asked now. So, there are 5 departments, so there will be 5 chairmen. And there's a dean, isn't it? So there are supposed to be 6 of them. So I'll start introducing. The first one is Professor Pat Odira. He's the Dean of the School of Engineering. Good morning. So that's the man who is in charge of the School of Engineering as the Dean. Okay? Now I go to the, then from there, then I should introduce you 5 chairmen. And I can only see 2 of them, but well, the rest, maybe they will come on you. First one I introduce is Professor Sixtus Mwea. He's the chairman of the Department of Civil Engineering. Good morning. The next one is Dr. Steve Musyoka. He's the Samuel Musyoka. He's the chairman of the Department of Geospatial and Space Technology.
Good morning.
There is another chairman who has come late. I will introduce him. Dr. Julius Ogola is the chairman of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Right? The other department that is, there are two of them, who are representing EBE. So, he represents EBE because the chairman of the Department of Environmental and Ecosystem Engineering is out of the country on a conference. So the facto chairman is, maybe you have to say so because you are representing. How can you not say his name that he represents, let's say you are representing.
The chairman of Environmental and Systems Engineering is Engineer Dr. Ayub Joroge Gitau, and I'm representing whom I'm called Duncan Muge. Right.
Don't just say Duncan Muge, Dr. Duncan Muge. You know it's good for these fellows, so I cannot tell you just like that. You need to say your proper names. Now, I think that the electrical is the chairman of electrical and information engineering is not here. So probably when he comes, we'll be able to introduce. So those are the five. Those are five. Those are supposed to be the 6 officials or heads of the School of Engineering. Now, in the previous years, except this year, we've been having students also, because the College of Architecture and Engineering has the School of Engineering, the School of Computer Development, and the School of Arts and Design. Those are how many? 3, plus an Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology. Right? Those are 4. They used all of them to come here. And this year, the students of only yourself, the School of Engineering. The others are not with you. Right? And the reason why they are not with you is because they have not joined with you is because there was a small problem towards the end of last year. The students of this college brought some problems, apart from the School of Engineering brought some problems. We are doing exams. We had closed prematurely. After that closure, it was during the exam time. So immediately they opened again on 5th of January. They had continued the examinations. Now, these students have what they call a workshop. The first years have a workshop and studios that they do for the School of Environment. And therefore, because they have the first years cannot know what second year there is a lot of people that have to do after the exams, they have to do the studios, workshops, and presentations and all that. We have to delay them for 2 weeks so that these first years now can finish so that they can become second year before you now join. You got first years with them. Are you getting what I'm trying to tell you? So those students who come on 27, normally they used to come and join you and address the same time, but they come now late because the first years who are finished to become second years, there is something they are doing the next 2 weeks. So that now, after that, now we shall now bring the first year of the School of Environment and School of Art and Design. The Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology does not have undergraduate students. So now, but here we also have the Dean of the School of the Built Environment. Professor Tom Anyamba is here with the Dean of the School of the Built Environment. And Tom,
good morning, everybody.
He's the Dean of the School of the Built Environment. So, Dr. Onyango is a director of the School of the Built Environment. Sorry, of Arts and Design, sorry. The director of the School of Arts and Design. Now, I've switched to our director, so when I called him a name, not that I am confused, those are names that are correct. I'll explain to you as we talk. There's no difference. Mr. Maina is the director of the Institute of Nuclear Science and Technology.
Good morning.
So those are the officials that these are the electors that are supposed to introduce. Now, they also have chairmen of the departments of the School of Design and also the School School of People Environment. Now, the School of Art and Design does not have chairman because there are no departments there. So he is like also the chairman, and there are no chairman in that school, there are no departments. Now, in the School of Built Environment, there are 3 departments. The chairmen are not here, largely because there is Christopher Bata. Dr. Christopher Bata is here representing the the Department of Real Estate, right? Construction Management, within that department.
Good morning.
Which is normally, as I say, on the other side of the university. I'll explain where that department is. Otherwise, basically, these are the officials. And what's important for you at this point in time is to know the difference between a dean and a chair. As I say, a dean is in charge of a director is in charge of a school or a faculty, and the chairman is in charge of a department. I think my Joyce was at this point in time. But you see, he agreed. Yeah.